Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today in this section we are going to know about the organization structure. In an organization structure you may see here plant, storage location, purchase organization, purchase group. These are for a MM. So first we are going to know about the starting from organization structure. So going to take here. Here you can see the enterprise structure. Enterprise structure is consists of client, company code, plant, storage location, purchase organization and purchase group. We are going to discuss about this video is client, company code, plant and storage location. Client is an header of the company. For example, if we are going to choose Mahindra is our client, here company is Mahindra. Under the client, the existing business are coming under company code. Mahindra as a business of Mahindra Motors and Tech Mahindra. We are just assume Mahindra as example for our convenience and better understanding. Here you can choose company 1 as Mahindra Motors and the company 2 as Tech Mahindra. You can create for those two, and if there are so many existing business are available for client, you can create a number of company codes under the one client. For Mahindra Motors, I would like to take plant. For Mahindra Motors, there may be several plants may occur in India or another countries. Plant is an area where the production occurs. I hope guys you know about plant. If Mahindra Motors production is happening in Hosur or in Gujarat, you may assign plant this as for our plant. Plant 2, plant 1, same existing scenario. For storage location is an area where the materials are stored for plants. I hope guys you understand about client, company code, plant and storage location. We are going to discuss about detail of plant storage and company code. Actually, I said Mahindra as our example. Here you can take Tata as another example. Under the company, you can create company code. Under the company code, you can create plant. Under the plant, storage location you can create. First, here our example is Tata. You can create company as Tata. Tata is our client. You can create here with 6 characteristics with alphabetics or numerics or both combination. Here I am taking 4 characteristics for our convenience Tata. Under our client Tata, the existing businesses are here we chosen as Tata Motors and Tata Chemicals. TAMO for Tata Motors, T for Tata, A for also a Tata, MO for Motors, TA for Tata, CH for Chemicals. Here you can see company is allowed of 6 characteristics. Company code is allowed for 4 characteristics. Under the company code, you can create the plant. Plant is also allowed for 4 characteristics. These are 3 plants I am chosen as our example. The first plant is Tata Motor, plant 1, T for Tata, M for Motors, P for plant. 1 is an indicator of plant 1. Under the plant, n number of storage location may be available. Here I am chosen as 3 storage location. Here the one important thing is know about the storage location. The storage location may be within the plant or outside the plant. For example, if the storage location is in Gujarat, but if the plant is in Gujarat, but our storage location is Maharashtra, plant production are happened in Gujarat, but the materials are from Maharashtra. So you can maintain address for this storage location. Let's going to second example of Tata Chemicals plant 1. This is the plant. This as storage location inside the plant. We no need to maintain a address for the storage location. If the storage location is outside the plant, you must need to maintain address of the storage location. I would like to take this as outside the plant. The storage location is outside the plant. If this storage location TMS2 is inside the plant, you no need to maintain storage location address for this storage location. I hope guys you will understand about the basics of client, company code, plant and storage location. Please stay Please stay tuned guys for the upcoming videos. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you guys.